friends, welcome to the Channa's Biology, and today we will discuss about bacterial conjugation method, one of the best method to transfer the genetic material from one of the bacterial cell to the another bacterial cell. Now, the term written here F plus F minus HFR and F prime in the bacterial conjugation, this term is totally related with the F plasmid, the sex factor which is present inside the bacterial cell. Suppose this is one of the bacterial cell, and this bacterial cell containing the plasmid which is known as F plasmid, and this F indicating that fertility factor. Bacterial cell also contain the chromosome, and remember that those cells containing the F plasmid are able to form the sex pilus, tail-like matter present inside in the bacterial cell, and this bacterial cell is known as F plus cell or donor cell. Okay, this is the sex pilus present in the F plus cell. Okay. Now, what is the function of this sex pilus? The sex pilus are useful in the interacting with the another bacterial cell. So, this is the F plus cell containing the sex pilus. This F plus cell now interact with the another bacterial cell with the help of the sex pilus. Suppose this is the another bacterial cell and containing the bacterial chromosome, but this bacterial cell totally lacks the F plasmid, means it does not contain, they do not have the F plasmid, fertility plasmid, and due to this bacterial cell is known as F minus cell. F minus cell, or also known as recipient cell. Okay. Now, this sex pilus interacting with the another bacterial cell, means that F plus cell interacting with the F minus cell with the help of the sex pilus and forming the connection between the two bacterial cells, means that these two bacterial cells forms the connection in the next step. See that this is the first bacterial cell forming the connection with the another bacterial cell. This is the F plus cell or donor cell, and this is F minus cell. A plasmid, same here, and bacterial chromosome. This is the bacterial chromosome of F minus cell. Now, in the next step, remember that the F plasmid is now starts to replicate independently and producing its another copy, and the another copy of this F plasmid is transferring to the F minus cell through this sex pilus tube. This is the sex pilus tube. Sex pilus tube. Okay, so this F plasmid is now starts to replicate and producing its another copy and transfer in the F minus cell. Okay, now after some time this sex pilus tube is now starts to break down, means that this sex pilus tube is now starts to breaks, and the two cells now separates as individual cell in the next step. See here, this is the first cell. After breaking this sex pilus tube, two cells forms as individual cells. Okay, so this is the bacterial chromosome and bacterial chromosome and a plasmid known as F plus cell, and this is the another cell having bacterial chromosome and F plasmid. Now the F minus cell gets converted into the F plus cell. How F minus cell gets converted into the F plus cell? Because initially you see that in the F minus cell the F plasmid is totally lacks, but here after the replicating the F plus cell, one of the F plasmid is transferred into the F minus cell, and the F minus cell gets converted into the F plus cell. So note that the F minus cell get converted into the F plus cell. Okay. So this is the first type of recombination. From the F plus F minus type of cross, we can get F plus type of the new recombination. Okay. Now this is the first type of possibility that we have. But the another possibility is that in the first step we see that the plasmid is replicating independently, but this is not occur at all time. Sometimes what happens, this plasmid interact with these bacterial chromosome and forms the integration, forms the complex between the both. Is that these plasmid and bacterial chromosome comes together, joins together, forms the complex in the next step. Suppose this is the F plus cell containing the plasmid and bacterial chromosome. They form complex together in the next step. Okay. Suppose this is the bacterial plasmid and this is the bacterial chromosome. They starts to interact towards each other. And forming the strong complex. Okay. Suppose see that this is the plasmid and this is the half part of bacterial chromosome. Half part of bacterial chromosome, half part of plasmid. There comes together, forming complex and form the new cell, and this new cell is known as HFR cell. Now what is meant by this HFR cell? HFR cell is nothing but the high frequency recombination cell. Means that this cell has the highest frequency to transfer the genetic material to the another cell. Means if you see that the cross between the HFR with the F plus or F minus, they have a high tendency, high frequency to transfer the genetic material to the another bacterial cell. Okay. Now after some time, the plasmid and bacterial chromosome which are formed complex. After some time, these plasmid try to excise from this bacterial chromosome, try to separate from the bacterial chromosome. Okay. But this is the strong complex, we know that. So a plasmid is not separate as a individually, means that it takes the some part of the bacterial chromosome. See that. If this plasmid trying to separate individually, it can't able to separate as a whole part, means it not separate as a individually. It takes some part of, at least some part of the chromosome. Suppose this is the bacterial plasmid. After trying to separating from this complex, it takes the some part of the bacterial chromosome. This is the some part of bacterial chromosome. And same with the bacterial chromosome. Bacterial chromosome also trying to separate from these plasmid, but it takes the some part of the plasmid. Suppose this is the large part of the bacterial chromosome and this is the smallest part of the plasmid, and this new cell forming is known as a prime cell. We can say it as the F plus cell because we know that in the F plus cell there is the plasmid and bacterial chromosome, both are present individually, separately. But here, see here, there is no plasmid as a single, neither chromosome as a single. A plasmid is forming the complex. Something part of the chromosome is joined with the large part of the plasmid, and the bacterial chromosome is also joined with the some part of the plasmid. So this is known as a prime cell. So we get the three types of recombination from this. Means that see here, in the first cross between the F plus and F minus, we are getting F plus type of the recombination. If we cross the F plus F minus cell, we getting F plus type of new combination. And from the F plus cell, we getting the HFR. From the F plus cell, we get HFR as a new combination. And from the HFR, we get F prime as a new combination. F prime. So this is the totally about the bacterial conjugation, the process to form the mini recombination to transfer the genetic material from one bacterial cell to the another bacterial cell by cell to cell contact. Why I am saying cell to cell contact? Because one of the bacterial cell which is known as a plus cell containing the sex pillars, and these sex pillars forming the connection with the another bacterial cell, and they are connected together, means they are making the contact together, and hence in the definition we are seeing that the bacterial conjugation is nothing but the process of transferring genetic material by cell to cell contact. Hopefully you are like this video. If you like, then press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon given below. Thank you very much.